Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to learn about a program where we can find whether a given year is a leap year or not. So it is very easy friends, and yeah, it involves more of conditional branching. Yes, to check whether a given year by the user is leap year or not, what we are going to do. The first condition is, as we all know, if the year is divisible by 4 then it is a leap year. There is some other condition friends. What happens means even if the year is divisible by 4 and if the year is a century like the year ending with 00, then we need to have another conditional check whether the year is divisible by 400 also. Then only it will be a leap year. If a year is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100, then it is not divisible by 400, then that is not a leap year friends. So these are the conditions which we are going to check with the help of maybe the conditional branching. Yes, come on, let us do. So first we can ask from the user a year which they need to check. Yes, so it is going to be an int input. I am going to ask the user enter a year. So once the user enters a year where I am going to save it, I will save it in a variable called as y, which represents year over here. Yes, I have done with my leap years entry. Now first thing I will check is if y is equal to y modulus the remainder should be 0, so we are going to use the percentage symbol for remainder equal to 0. So if this is true, then what we will do? We will check if y modulus 100 equal to 0. So this will check whether the year is centuries or not. So if this is also true, then we are going to check if y modulus 400 is equal to 0. So if this is also true only, I am going to print this is a leap year. Now coming to the else condition, which is very important. So we are having three if here. We need to write three else for us to be clarified. So first coming to the else condition for if modulus y modulus 400 is not equal to 0, then what we will write if it is not equal to 0? It is going to be directly a non-leap year. I think it is clear now. Now, what about our next else condition? So, this if else condition is full now. Now, coming to the this if condition. If y modulus 100 is equal to 0 only, we are checking all these things. If it is not equal to 0, then what will happen? It is just a normal year, not centuries year. So, we can directly write it is a leap year because it is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. So, I am going to write it is a leap year. Good. Now, this branch is also over. What will happen if y is not even divisible by 4? Then no chance it is going to be a leap year, correct? So, that else comes here where I am going to write it is not a leap year. So, I think it is very clear now the conditions. So, we can run with examples and check. First, I will write a common number, any number, maybe 2004. Wow, 2004 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4 and it is not divisible by 100. So, here the condition satisfied is it is divisible by 4 is true and it is not divisible by 100. So I am printing it is a leap year. Perfect. Now I am going to run again, and now we are going to check with a number, maybe 1800. It is not a leap year. Here if you can see 1800. So if I am dividing 1800 by 4, what will happen? We will get the quotient of 4 carry over 2, so 45, 450 we will get, and the remainder is 0. So here this condition is true. After that we are checking whether this condition is true. And to our surprise, y modulus 100 is also true because it is divisible, it is a century year, so it is divisible, so this is also true. If this is also true, we are going to check if y modulus 400 is true. So this is not true because 1800 will not be divisible by 400. So since this one is not true, we are coming to the else condition and printing this is not the leap year. Now I think why this condition is basically working for us. Right friends? Yeah. Now I am going to run the program again and give a random number, maybe 2020. Yeah, it is a leap year as we all know. Now I will give maybe 2000. This is a leap year. Here it is also divisible by 4. It is also divisible by 100 and it is also divisible by 400. I think this concept is very clear now. And that's it friends. If you have any doubts in this particular leap year program, you can always ask me in comments below. And if you have any other program that I can specially make for you, you can always ask those things also in comments so that Code With Me goes really interesting. And that's it friends. This is Shravanti. Bye bye.